Instant Pot dried beans and rice coming up, and I wanted to show you this variation. So in my air fryer, on the broiler setting, you could do this in your oven. I just wanted to take these like next level gourmet, and I wanted to use up a poblano and a jalapeno pepper that I had. I diced it, diced red onion, some frozen corn, and I just broiled these until they got a nice char. And I wish I had some cilantro. I have some popping up in my garden, but it's not ready for harvest yet. And I used all of it up in my burritos. So now I'm down to basically the scraps of the week. Tomorrow's grocery shopping day, and so I'm using up what I've got. And look at how delicious this looks. All in one pot. Pantry staples, dried beans and rice.
That's amazing.
Perfectly cooked, perfectly timed, with Protective Diet. Take care.
And best of health.